Whew. So what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing some things. Haven't filmed in a while, but I got a couple parts for the Mazda. Some are actually in the car as well. As you can see, big old red hood over here. This is an aluminum hood compared to my heavy ass steel hood. This is gonna save me, I'm saying 50 pounds, I'll weigh it. Right here, an Apexi N1 exhaust, little crack, gonna get that welded, and I have to get a downpipe welded. I also have a new exhaust manifold in the car because the exhaust manifold I have, the previous owner welded a downpipe to it. And then this box, you've seen a bunch of installs with this shit before. But hey, this is my first time. I'm doing it anyway, which is why I'm filming it. So, let me show you what I have here. I'm back. So, besides a bunch of newspaper. Oh, got the first one. Can you tell what it is? Alright. These are stance coilovers. These specifically are Pro Comps. So these brand new. These brand new go for about $2,300. Luckily, I found a guy who sinfully LS swapped his RX-7. You could probably tell, fairly good condition. Yeah, stance Pro Comp coilovers for you. Here's the other one. You could also tell these are the older models because they have the black springs. The newer ones, they're anodized, or they're this coppery gold color, and then the rings are also that color. But shit, no leaks. He said all these are loosened up. There you go. All loosened up. I just can't wait to put these on the car because it's in dire need of it. Next episode, hopefully we'll be putting on the suspension, bushings, and the hood. The exhaust, like I said, needs some welding. As long as I get some things done, I'm going to be super happy, and this car is going to be feeling much better. So, give it like 2 days, and we'll be getting this done. So, to the install. So this right here was the downpipe that was on my car. As you can see, gross and rusty, and that's because the previous owner had welded it onto the manifold. So instead of taking off the manifold, because there's a lot of crap above it, I decided to cut it off. Gonna grind that down and start mocking up the pieces of exhaust I have in order to make my downpipe. So right now I'm going to get the exhaust welded. I have earplugs in because it's fucking loud, but my dad's gonna give me, oh, it's bright as fuck. Let me see. My dad's gonna give me some actual headphones, so. Thank you very much. Hold this. That's the back?
Yeah.
Oh, much nicer. Alright.
Yeah.
Look like an alien. Alright, thank you.
Yep.
Let's go. So we didn't have a filler bung for the O2 sensor hole. Look at what we did, like idiots. A saw blade, motherfucker. Let's go. And look, we got spares over here if we fuck up. We chilling, so I just want this car quiet. I don't care how it looks or how it sounds. Just not how it was. Because that was fucking annoying. You saw I had earplugs and earmuffs on, and it was still obnoxious. So can't wait to have it quiet for once. Wow, that's good. That's solid. Yeah, dude, it's quiet. I mean, I think if I'm being stupid, you're not gonna hear me that well. Before, you would hear me from like a mile or 2 miles away. Alright, let me move this real quick. So as you can hear, the car is much quieter, and I know most people want to make their cars louder, but that was honestly unbearable. Now if I'm being stupid, just messing around in an industrial area, I don't have to worry about the cops, so it's not bad. It's muffled, little noise, still pops, so yeah, can't be happier, honestly. So I'll see you next time. So thank you for tuning in, and peace out.